Hey, good morning, friends. Today at my house, we're going to make potato salad because my granddaughter is going to spend part of her spring break with us. And she loves potato salad, so let's get started right now. So I'm getting my potatoes in the water, and I think that's probably about going to do it. And I think we got, 4, 5, 7, 8 potatoes, 8 medium potatoes, and then I'm going to put within that about 4 to 6 eggs, and I will boil them together to save the energy. So there's our potatoes with our eggs, and I'll show you over here all the ingredients that I will be using. You got a cup of Miracle Whip. You can also use mayo. And what I do is I dump that in here, and I'll add some water to it to make an emulsion. And over here we've got our minced onions. They're dehydrated. And over here we have our honey mustard, and there's about a 1/3 cup there. And here we have got our pickle relish. It's sweet pickle relish, and there's about a 1/3 cup right there also. So that's what I use, and then maybe a little dash of salt that I'll add. It's been about 25 minutes, and I'm going to take the pot off, and I'm going to rinse the potatoes off and the eggs, and I'll start peeling and dicing and mincing, and I might let you be a part of that. So I've got the the eggs all peeled and ready to chop. I'll show you this gadget I have. I love kitchen gadgets. This chops your eggs up mighty fine. And I use this to chop the eggs up, but I will dice the potatoes with a knife. Look at there. Look how nicely that dices those eggs up. I just got this at a secondhand store. They're just dandy. I don't know where you pick them up at. I think they're old things. Now it is time to dice up the potatoes, which I have 8 of. I'll dice them nice little chunks. Nice little chunks. I ran cool water over these potatoes after they got done boiling, and it took them about 25 minutes. Okay, I'm going to kind of smush these all together. They're semi-cool now because I took them out of the water and I ran cool water over them. We're going to start emptying out our ingredients in there. I'll put our pickle relish in, our dehydrated onions, put our mustard in here. It's our honey Dijon mustard. Makes it quite tasty. It's real sweet and mildly mustardy. Now we're going to put our emulsion on here. Our Miracle Whip that I watered down about a 1/2 cup to a cup. It makes it creamier so it's not all thick on you. You want it to be kind of like an emulsion. If we need more, I'll just add additional mayo. Okay, I may add a little bit more. And I haven't put the salt in because you have to taste it before you salt it. We're going to mix it around a little bit. I like to put it in a wide base pan so I can get all my ingredients mixed throughout. And I can see what else I need. And I'm mixing it up. Looks like we might need a little bit more Miracle Whip or mayo. I believe I'm going to add another additional 1/2 cup of mayo to this because it should be sweet enough with all the pickle relish and sweet mustard that we put in there. Okay, here's our 1/2 cup of mayo. We're adding into addition. So this is kind of more or less a concoction. You know when you come to the right taste when it tastes like it's supposed to, when you've added all the things that you usually put in it. See, look how nice and creamy that is becoming. Okay, friends, I got it ready here and I'm tasting it. Tastes pretty good. Just needs to chill. And my little granddaughter, she'll be the final taste tester. She'll give us a real opinion about it. She's our critiquer. Okay, folks, I'm going to dish this up and refrigerate it for tonight when my little granddaughter, Allie, will be coming over to sample. See you then. Okay, we've got 3 portions. 1 for tonight, 1 for my daughter, and 1 for Grandma. She loves my potato salad too, and I take it over to her at the facility. She enjoys it much. Promised my granddaughter, Curly. She's sampling for us today. Curly.
Oh, good.
Okay, sissy.